No man has ever overcome porn addiction alone, and no man ever will. And it's not because men are weak. It's not because men are broken, but it's because addiction is fueled by isolation and healed through connection. In today's episode of the Rebuilt Man podcast, I'm giving you 10 reasons why you will never win this battle alone, and why brotherhood, community, coaching, and accountability are the real weapons that transform men from the inside out. So, brother, if you're tired of relapsing, if you're tired of white-knuckling, if you're tired of promising to yourself, this time will be different, then lean into, because today's episode might be the turning point that you've always been praying for. Guys, welcome to the Rebuilt Man podcast. My name is Coach Frank Rich, founder and host here. In the last 6 years, we've helped over 1,700 men just like you, those caught up in the depths of pornography addiction, take back control, rebuild their lives, rewire their identities, and step into a life of freedom. And we do it through structure, coaching, accountability, and most importantly, brotherhood. Now, the truth is we have an epidemic happening right now in the modern world, especially among men. And I'm not talking about porn. I'm talking about something even deeper, something more destructive: loneliness, isolation, disconnection. 61% of men report feeling chronically lonely. Men under 30 are the loneliest demographic in the country right now. A man today is less likely to have a close friend than any other time in recorded history. And loneliness increases your risk of addiction by over 300%. Now, brother, this matters because porn is not the problem. Isolation is. Porn becomes a place men escape to when they have no community, when they have no structure, when they have no accountability, when they have no one to lift them up, when they have no one to check in on them, and they have no one to call them out to living up to their potential. Now, I've coached thousands of men over the years, and there's one pattern that shows up every single time. Every relapse, every slip, every poor choice starts and begins with isolation. But every breakthrough, every transformation, every success story begins inside of brotherhood. So today we're going deep into the 10 reasons why you can't do this alone, and why brotherhood is the foundation for lasting freedom in your journey. Reason number one, you need brotherhood, coaching, accountability, and community is you cannot outgrow what you keep hidden. Porn addiction thrives in secrecy. Shame thrives in silence. You will never heal in the same darkness that created this addiction. When a man finally speaks the truth, when he says, brother, this is where I'm struggling, that's the moment that the chains start to crack. In the brotherhood, we see this happen every single week. A man shares something he's been hiding for 20 years, and instantly his life feels lighter. Confession isn't weakness. It becomes a war. Reason number two is isolation is the enemy's playground. Every relapse follows this same pattern. You disconnect, you stop reaching out, you tell yourself, I'm good, you isolate, and then you fall. Addiction grows in the shadows. Brotherhood forces you into the light. Inside our school community, guys check in daily. They share wins, they share struggles, they stay connected. When you remove isolation, you remove 80% of the battle. Reason number three, men rise to the level of their standards, not their intentions. The truth is your intentions don't matter. Your environment does. Left alone, you'll negotiate with yourself. But when you're surrounded by men who refuse to settle, you rise to their standard. This is why elite teams outperform individuals. It's why the brotherhood transforms men so quickly, because the standard is set so high and the culture refuses to let you fall below it. Reason number four, brotherhood gives you borrowed strength. Some days you're going to feel strong. Other days you're going to feel weak. And on those weak days, you need men who say, I've got you, brother. We're not letting you quit today. You can borrow strength until you can generate it on your own. We've had guys message the group at 11:45 p.m. saying, brothers, I'm struggling right now. And instantly men jump in, they call him, they pray over him, they walk him off the ledge. That's real brotherhood. And that is what saves lives. Reason number five is coaching breaks through the blind spots that you cannot see alone. Every man thinks he knows his problem, but he's wrong. There are blind spots you will never see without a coach. Identity wounds, trauma patterns, false beliefs, subtle triggers, emotional habits, cycles that keep repeating without you knowing it. When a coach steps in, he gives you a new set of eyes. Inside our program, this is where breakthrough happens. Men say things like, I thought my problem was porn, but it was actually avoidance. I thought I had a lust issue, but I really had a loneliness issue. Coaching just doesn't change behavior. It changes the man from the inside out. Reason number 6 here is accountability transform identity. Real accountability is not, did you relapse? Real accountability is, did you show up as the man you said you wanted to be today? Accountability pulls you into alignment with your values, and it exposes the stories you're hiding behind. The brotherhood isn't a place where men get policed. It's a place where men get called higher. Reason number 7, community removes the illusion that you're the only one struggling. The biggest lie men believe is, I'm the only one dealing with this. Brother, you're not. When you see men from 18 to 60, with men with marriages, careers, ministry, kids, all fighting the same battle, shame loses its power. One of our members said, for the first time in my life, I realized I wasn't a monster. I was a man who needed brothers. That realization alone heals 20 years of shame. Reason number 8 is brotherhood creates momentum you cannot build alone. Momentum becomes contagious. Discipline becomes contagious. Transformation becomes contagious. When you watch other men take ground, wake up earlier, cut off triggers, lead their families, walk closer with God, you begin to feel it. You want to rise with them. Men grow faster in groups because the pace is shared. Reason number 9, coaching helps you become the man you were born to be. Not just porn-free, but powerful, purpose-driven, grounded, disciplined, rooted in God's calling. Freedom is not the goal. Freedom is the foundation. Once the chains fall off, a man becomes unstoppable. Our coaches will walk men through this identity shift for the man you've been to the man that God created you to be. And reason number 10 here is accountability is the bridge between information and transformation. You see, men don't need more information. They need implementation. Every man knows what he should do. Get off the phone at night. Stop scrolling. Stop isolating. Get serious about discipline. Get into the word. Take care of his body. But without accountability, none of this sticks. Accountability becomes the glue that turns habits into identity and identity into freedom. Now, here's just a couple things that men have shared, real men from inside our community. We've had quotes with guys saying, I spent 25 years trying to quit alone. 30 days in the brotherhood did more for me than the last decade. We had another client say, for the first time, I didn't feel alone. I had brothers checking in on me, encouraging me, challenging me daily. David said, I thought I had a porn problem. Turns out I had a loneliness problem. Brotherhood healed what isolation destroyed. And another client said, the coaching changed me. The accountability rebuilt me. The brotherhood saved me. That's what happens when men stop fighting alone. And brother, until you realize you don't have a porn problem, you have an isolation problem. And isolation is what is killing you every single day. Now, there are men every day winning this battle. There are men every day rebuilding their lives. There are men every day restoring their marriages, their faith, and their confidence. And the truth is, they all have one thing in common. They stopped trying to fight alone. They stepped into brotherhood, and that is what changed everything. Now, if you've been going in circles, if you're tired of relapsing, if you're tired of feeling stuck, this is your moment. If you are ready to plug into a real community of men who will walk with you, challenge you, support you, hold you accountable, and help you rebuild your life, I want to invite you to join us inside the Rebuilt Man Brotherhood on School. You can get started today with a free 7-day trial. You can get plugged in, get inside, meet the men, join the calls, take action on the 7-day reset, plug into accountability, and experience what real brotherhood feels like. Visit school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life, or click the link down there in the show notes below. But now this is your time, brother, to take action. This is your time to stop fighting this alone. Visit school.com, SKOOL.com /reboot your life, because you were never meant to fight this battle alone.